Solving multi-step inequalities. Solving an inequality is almost exactly like solving a regular equation, with one major exception. If you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, you must flip the inequality sign. Example problem. Solve the following inequality and graph the solution on a number line. Negative 3x plus 5 is less than or equal to 17. First, we need to get the x term by itself. Just like an equation, we'll subtract 5 from both sides. That leaves us with negative 3x is less than or equal to 12. Now, we need to divide by negative 3. Pay close attention here. Whenever you multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, you must flip the inequality sign. It's the law of algebra. So, our less than or equal to symbol flips to become greater than or equal to. Our final answer is x is greater than or equal to negative 4. To graph this, put a closed circle at negative 4 because it can be equal to that number, and shade everything to the right because x is greater. And that's it. Just don't forget the flip.